Hello and welcome to the 3 days weather forecast with Paul Ugbah. The satellite imagery before us clearly shows a demarcation between areas overlain by the dry, dusty winds from the Sahara Desert and areas in the south overlain by moist winds from the Atlantic Ocean. While in the south, we continue to have cloud buildup, leading to activities of rainfall in selected places in the south. We have in the north a different scenario where dust has continued to reduce horizontal visibility up to 5,000 meters in Maiduguri and 4,000 meters in Sokoto. This scenario is likely to continue for the next 72 hours. The first rainfall was, however, reported in Abuja last week due to cloud buildup over the southern parts of the country, extending towards the inland areas. And so for the rest of Monday, we expect the country dominantly to be under the influence of moderate dust haze with a visibility range of 2 to 5 kilometers and locally less than 1,000 meters in 1 or 2 places. Over the southern parts of the country, there are prospects for thunderstorms in parts of Calabar, extending to parts of Delta State, Edo State, and also parts of the southwestern areas. Our maximum temperature on Monday is expected to range between 33 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius over the north. The highest value is expected to be 40 degrees Celsius over Bauchi, while the southern areas are expected to experience a range of 32 to 38 degrees Celsius. By Tuesday, we still expect most parts of the country to be under the influence of the dust haze from the Sahara Desert, although there are no indications yet in the satellite imagery that dust has been raised. But we expect that with the strong winds, dust will be raised and transported into the country and affect horizontal visibility, particularly over the extreme northern parts of the country, where values are likely to be less than 1,000 meters. Over the central parts, we expect moderate dust haze with a visibility range of 2 to 5 kilometers. But over the south, we expect to see partly cloudy and cloudy conditions. By afternoon of Tuesday, there are prospects for thunderstorms in selected parts of Rivers State, Enugu State, and also parts of the southwest, while the Mambila Plateau areas are also expected to experience thunderstorms. Maximum temperature forecast on Tuesday is expected to range between 35 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. Towards the central parts of the country, we expect to see a range of 32 degrees Celsius over Jos to 38 degrees Celsius in parts of Niger State. Towards the southern parts of the country, we expect to see a range of 32 to 38 degrees Celsius. By Wednesday, we still expect dust haze conditions to prevail over most parts of the north and central states, with a likelihood of reduced horizontal visibility to less than 1,000 meters in 1 or 2 places due to the dust already in suspension. We expect the southern parts of the country to be partly cloudy to cloudy in the morning. But by afternoon, we expect to see thunderstorms in parts of Rivers State and also towards the inland parts of the country. We also expect thunderstorms to affect parts of the southwestern states like Ibadan and Oshogbo areas. Maximum temperature forecast on Wednesday is likely to remain 33 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius over the extreme northern parts of the country, and as we move towards the central parts of the country, 32 to 39 degrees Celsius is expected, while the southern parts are expected to experience a temperature range of 32 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. This is where we'll end our forecast for today. Thanks for watching and see you again.